Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for coming by. Today I have the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop, the monthly subscription quilting box. Let's dig in and see what we got here. You're invited, April 2020. Okay, and here we go. And I'm going to pull this stuff out, get this box out of my way. Okay. Let's see, so this is our little booklet that tells everything and its prices. And I like to do the fabric last if you're new here. So let's see what this is. Posey Handmade 100% Beeswax Thread Gem Thread Conditioner for Hand Sewing. Here's the package. Here's the UPC. And let's open it up. Okay, so here it is. It's a little, looks like a diamond shape. Let's see here. Oh, I think I can, it's open. I can take it out here. So here it is. Looks like a little diamond. I guess it would go that way if it was a diamond. What am I doing? That would be like, if it was a ring, that'd be inset there. Yeah, it smells like wax. I can smell it. It's like, it kind of smells like honey. Beeswax Thread Conditioner. Get that thread to behave with the Beeswax Thread Gem by Posey. Handmade. Quickly running your thread along this adorable jewel-shaped piece of 100% pure beeswax coats your thread to reduce the friction between needle, thread, and fabric for less tangling, knotting, and fraying. Retail value is $6.48. Oops, I think I might have got off camera. But I can't believe, I mean, I have it like pretty, like a foot away from me, and I can smell the honey. That's crazy. I wonder if it like could be eaten. Okay, so next one. Oh, we've gotten these before. Alpha Biddies Specialty Marking Tools Expansion Pack. Okay, so these are double letters, so it's AA through ZZ and numbers 10 through 19. So the first ones we had were just like ABC. Here they are. Alpha Biddies Expansion Pack in gray from It's So Emma. You can go beyond A through Z with the Alpha Biddies Expansion Pack from It's So Emma. When patterns call for pieces marked beyond A through Z or 1 through 9, these adorable squares are up for the task. With AA through ZZ and 10 through 19, you'll be ready to tackle even the most complex quilt patterns. Retail value is $13.98. And this is a really slippery bag. Here's what they look like. They're like a firm plastic. I've used them before. They work. I like them when you set up your little piles and set them on top of it. Okay, the next item is a template. Scallops and Waves EasyPeasy Quilting Template by Fat Quarter Shop. 2 designs to mix and match for quilting at home. Connect 2 or more templates to customize the size. So I guess that's to run your run along your sewing machine when you're sewing. If I can get it out of here. And it's got like a puzzle piece on the end, so you can attach it to another one. And there's the other end. Here's the shape. It says Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, ready to try quilting with more than just straight lines. The Scallops and Waves EasyPeasy Quilting Template is the perfect next step for intrepid home quilters. This template is fitted with 2 graceful designs and is easy to use as a standard ruler with lots of design possibilities included. Best of all, these templates lock together so you can make it as short or long as you need. Retail value is $9.98. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Let me pull this back a little bit. No, I can't get that off. But it's got lines. I don't know if you can see it. It's got lines going across here and stuff too. Okay. Okay, next we have a couple of patterns. Let's see. Greatest Hits Album Quilt, track number 1. So these are squares to start, you know, making your quilt square. Let's see here. Okay, here it is. Greatest Hits Album Quilt. Hit all the right notes with the Greatest Hits Album Quilt. Dedicate this quilt to the most impactful individuals, all the greatest hits in your life with the album quilt. With each unique sampler block, record a memory of someone special to keep it on replay. Track number 1. Retail value $4.98. So there's that one. Then we have Let the Savings Bloom. Oh, okay. This is just a coupon, book of coupons. And this is the Garden Gala quilt pattern. I just love the colors at the quilt Fat Quarter shop. I love their colors all the time. Let's see. Garden Gala quilt pattern. Fat shop exclusive. Garden Gala quilt pattern. Fat Quarter shop exclusively for Sew Sampler box. Sew up a beautiful floral arrangement for the next special event with Garden Gala. A crown of flowers and pinwheels is finished with a whimsical scallop border and is just right for any skill level. This Sew Sampler exclusive pattern is a delightful way to use the at-home Jolly Bar included in this month's box. This retails for $9.98. So there is the quilt. And tells the fabric you need. You need 2 yards of background and 5/8 yard of binding. And this, what did they call it? Okay, so here is the fabric. It says At Home Jolly Bar. Yeah, that's it, Jolly Bar. That's what I was looking for. Okay, let's take a look at it. Here is this information. And let's see, here's the fabric. You'll feel right at home with At Home by Bonnie and Camille for Moda Fabrics. Home is where the heart is, and this collection comes straight from the heart. Beautiful florals and vintage prints are mixed with versatile basics and textures, in classic colorways of blue, aqua, gray, red, linen, and green. This At Home Jolly Bar contains a full array of prints in a generous 5x10 cut for maximum domestic bliss. Retail value $18.98. These are really pretty. It's cute. It's upside down. It's little houses. There's the right direction. I love that color. And there's our white flowers on there in case you can't see them. Oops, got me a little extra piece there. Looks like every color possible there. Maybe, okay, that one is repeated. That is that. Hopefully this was an extra piece and not a shorted piece. I don't know if I need it. Let's see, this is the Wind Flower quilt pattern. So this is the pattern that comes with the fabric. And the at-home Jolly Bar. Okay, that is everything. Wrap that back up. So we got 2 patterns plus the one with the fabric, or a pattern, a full-size pattern, a quilt block, the ruler thingy, the alphabetties, and the beeswax. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and thanks so much for stopping by. And if you like these videos, I'd love a thumbs up. Let me know to keep doing it. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.